So what are you all up to? I hope you're, well, I guess by the, oh, this is cool. Okay, so this is kind of a different deal here. This is a corduroy road. I've only ever seen this applied in this area specifically. And here, if you look, see it just, yeah, here you go. See, they used old logs and logging cables to hook these trees together and create a bridge through the swamp. Now the DNR is not super enthusiastic about seeing this done anymore, probably because it deteriorates. But it's still is, I don't know, I think it's cool. Here, I want to get a picture of this. Gunner, get a picture. We're getting a picture. Are you ready? You photogenic? Get photogenic. Look sassy for me. Look sassy for me. Don't take your goggles off though. Look sassy for me. You ready? You ready? Huh? Stay. Stay. Yeah, here we go. Let's take a look at this. It's cool. Don't drop your phone. It's also not walking friendly, okay? So just you know, word of warning. Oh, that's a beauty. See, and it's floating. It's not really. Here, I'll see if I can show you this. See? Now, part of it is because that cable, see the cable? It's frayed. So the cable was intended to keep it in place, but all right. See if we can get back in the machine without experiencing death. Right, bud? That's right. Okay. How are you all looking? Oh, you're looking beautiful. Hi, how you doing? Gunner, you're a mess. What did you do? Here. Put your ear back. Hey, we're on our second, oh, I'm sorry, I mean to sit on your foot. We're on our second ride now. Gunner not throwing a fit with the goggles on. That's awesome. So now one of these days I gotta get my own goggles on to protect my own eyes. Okay. We'll put it in low. We don't need to slip at all. Oh, that's badass. I like that.